Wait.
Yay!
What, Michelle?
Show off your
Ready?
Okay, everybody can open them.
Get those.
Ah,
What color are they?
wow, style.
Look at what hand I got. You want to open it for me? Okay. Oh, Anna, look at what piece you got.
Are you gonna open it?
Wow. Beautiful.
Oh, look at Mommy got matching socks too.
Mommy got matching socks.
Hey, how come mine don't have the gripper bottom?
Sorry.
I had to.
Popo is gonna be a sock to warm your. Oh wow. That will surely warm your feet, Popo. Oh wow, I love it. I love it.
Guys helping Lucas?
I like this one. Thank you, children. Thank you. Look at it. Thank you, Lucas. Thank you, Edwin. Thank you, Michelle.
Did you say thank you to Aunt Michelle and Uncle Edwin?
Hong Kong. Do we have a trash can?
Did you notice that yours matches Phoebe's? You guys have the same
Oh, I
one.
love this sun. Can I wear it now? Yay.
It's a bag.
Where's the scissor? Let's wear this. Oh, this is really nice and comfortable. I love it.
Wow. You guys want to help him open that?
Let's put this here. Laura, let's put the trash here. I'm gonna wear my socks.
Thank you.
Ah, thank you. Okay, more trash.
Can you open this?
Let's put it by Uncle Edwin, okay?
Anna,
He's the trash collector.
yours. How did you know? Uncle's opening it for you.
Okay.
Are you gonna wear your socks, Grandma? You want me to cut it? No. See? No?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I got it, but
Oh, okay, let's display it first.
Are we going to be able to know how to
Oh,
I told him.
Our kids are usually pretty good with puzzles. I think they're opening now. Why don't you guys get yourself some help since you're holding this? What is it? It's a something.
HP. What is that? Oh.
It's a netbook.
What?
It's a netbook?
It's a netbook.
It's like a computer.
For whom?
Thank you.
Oh, from Michelle.
Yep.
You
Now
can.
you really need to figure out the MAC address. Sorry.
Yeah, what was the password again?
Who gave her that? You did?
No, that's from Edwin, I think.
From Edwin.
Very cool.
So we all have warm feet
Where the
now.
seal is, Michelle.
Huh? I like this sun.
Michelle, shouldn't you trade with Edwin so you can film him opening his gift? Okay. What is that?
Was this mine to open?
Mm-hmm.
You guys need to see here.
JC Penney.
Oh, wow. Look, a sweater.
Wow.
What do you guys think?
Who gave that? You did?
Oh, unfold it? Okay.
My son?
Oh, look at
Wow,
that.
nice and warm.
Pretty good, huh?
Oh, it came from Popo?
Does it fit you? Too big. Does it fit you? Too big.
It's like a blanket.
Lucas. Maybe Lucas. Does it fit you? Too big. Oh, thanks, you guys.
You still have that
All right.
shirt with a longer name, son?
Hmm?